Hello everyone. Welcome to today's live trading analysis brought to you by IC Markets. Please let me know if you are not able to see my screen or hear me clearly. And also feel free to let me know if you have any currency pairs that you would like to take a look at so we can do the analysis together. Okay, we will start the live trading analysis in a couple of minutes. Once again, another warm welcome. Good morning, everyone. So, welcome back to another analysis brought to you by IC Markets. My name is Emily, and I'll be taking you through today's analysis. Okay. So before we start, please take note that everything is actually educational purpose. Okay. It should not be constructed as containing investment advice or investment recommendation. Okay. Please do your own due diligence. Okay, before you do execute any trade. Okay. And I'll be your host for today. I'm Emily. I'm from EFG, Everest Fortune Group. So, and Everest Fortune Group, we are a finalist for Best FX Present Research in 2019, 2020, and 2021, and also finalist for Best Equity Research for 2020 and 2021. Hi, Andrew. Okay. Okay, I'll go to the chat now. Give me a second while I pull up the charts. Okay, please feel free to leave a comment if there is any currency pair or any indices that you like to look at, and we can go through the analysis together. Okay, so for a start, let's take a look at this euro dollar. Okay, I'm making sure I'm at the correct chart. Okay. Okay, so we'll be looking at the H4 chart. Okay, let's look at the current momentum. As you can see from the Ichimoku cloud, the current price is currently under the Ichimoku cloud. So you can see that right now euro dollar is currently moving towards the bearish momentum, bearish trend. Okay, and let's try to identify some key support and resistance line. Okay. Okay, this seems like a pretty good immediate resistance level. So you can see that this is a swing low resistance, and our current price is right below the swing low resistance level. So you may want to monitor if the price will go down further or will it break through this swing low resistance. Okay, next up, let's try to identify some other indicators. Okay. I'm gonna take this as my first resistance. You can see that there's a pullback support over here. Sorry, pullback resistance over here. And next up, let's see if there's any Fibonacci retracement, because I can't seem to find a very good support level other than this. Okay, let me draw out the support line here. Okay. Bit too far. Yeah. It's okay. So let's try to identify the second support level. Okay. Okay, let's bring the chart a little smaller, okay? So it'll be easier for me to draw the support because it can goes back pretty far. Okay, see the swing high. You can see the price like the swing high is actually over here. So I'm gonna try and draw from here. And so here. So you can see from the Fibonacci retracement, the first resistance line is actually right on the 61.8 retracement level. So this aligns with the first resistance and it will act as a pretty strong resistance level over here. So price wise, okay, give me a second while I remove the other Fibonacci level, just the 61, so it'll be clearer. So this acts as a pretty strong resistance level that you can watch out for. Okay, and the other level will be immediate resistance over here. Okay, as you can see, the price is in between the immediate resistance level and the first support level. So let's see if the price will be able to bounce off this first support level, break through the immediate resistance level and go back up to the first resistance level. But as of now, looks like the trend is slightly bearish, and then it will go further down. Is falling towards the first support level. So, yeah, second, let's see if I have any. Sorry, let's make the chart smaller. I'm trying to find the second support level here because this is very close to the current price is very close to the first support line. So if it happens to break through the first support, okay, I will need a second support to oh dear. I'll need the second support to guide if I were to what is a good price to take profit. Okay, so I'm gonna look for the second support. Okay, somewhere here. I think this will be a good support level. Okay, give me a second. I would like to something wrong with my light. Okay, so my light was flickering earlier. Okay, I hope this is. Let's see. Still flickering. Let me try to off my light. Okay, sorry guys. Yeah, I think it's better right now. Okay. Let's go back to this. So I've drawn another Fibonacci retracement from the swing high and swing low level. Okay. So I can see that this will be a pretty good support line, second support, because it aligns with the 50% Fibonacci retracement line. So this area could be your resistance, it could be your second support area. Okay. And this can be the second resistance level, okay, which is the swing high. Okay, next up, let's look at pound dollar. Okay, I'm gonna remove everything. find the first support level. Okay, let's see if I can try to connect more wicks. Okay. Okay, so this level, the 1.262 level, will be my first support line. Okay, I will just make it a little smaller so I can find the second support. Give me a second. See if there's any swing high or swing low levels. I'm gonna take this as my second support. Okay. And this seems like quite a good first resistance level. It's pullback, and there's another pullback over here. And I just drew the Fibonacci retracement level. You can see that um the first resistance level actually aligns with the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. Okay. Let me make it smaller, adjust the chart a little so it's easier for you guys to see. And for the second level of resistance, I could use my 78.6. Okay, I'm gonna remove the rest. And looking at the momentum of the chart, for pound dollar, it's currently bullish. Okay, price is over the Ichimoku cloud. Okay, it's in between the first support and first resistance level. Okay, so looks like it will be falling down to the first support level before bouncing up to the first resistance level. But there also could be a possibility whereby you break through the first support level and move down to the second support level. So if I were to trade pound dollar, okay, I will wait for the price to be more certain okay, not somewhere in between. So I would wait for the price to either move to the first resistance level or the first support level to determine my um entry level, whether I would long or short this currency pair. Okay. Okay, next up, let's look at some dollar franc. So for this is right, you can see that it's below the Ichimoku cloud, so it's currently bearish momentum, and it's been quite some time already. Okay, so let's see if the price will be continuing down, or there's a possibility whereby there will be a bounce. Move this. Okay. I like this. Okay, so this is a pretty good first resistance level. You can see it's a swing low support, swing low resistance. And the price has also been, you can see the price are touching this same price point here. The candles is touching the price here. Okay, so this could be a pretty good first resistance level whereby the price will be testing this first resistance line. Okay, I got to make it a little smaller. Okay, so for the support level, I've chosen this as my first support level. Okay, it's a swing low support, multi swing low. So over here you can see there is some Fibonacci retracement error. The 61.8 Fibonacci retracement line is here. So I can use this as my second resistance level. Okay. And this line also happens to be touching the cutting across the wick of these candles here. So looking at the price now, okay, you can see the price is moving towards the first resistance. So, okay, I think because the price is pretty far apart, okay, if I were to use this as my immediate support level, okay, okay, let's see. Because you can see that the price between the level between the first resistance, second, and the first support level is quite far apart. Okay, so I have identified this level as the immediate support level because the current price has bounces off this level and is moving towards the first resistance level. Okay, let's see if the price will be able to break through the first resistance level, or it will be coming down, fall back down to the first support level. Okay, because it looks a little uncertain now, and also is currently bearish, so there it could be a possibility whereby the price will move up to the first resistance and fall to the first support level. Okay. Okay, next up would be the dollar yen. So for dollar yen, okay, this is also bearish right now, right? And the under the Ichimoku cloud. I'm gonna make it smaller to find my support level. It's a little bit far. I think this can be a good support level. As you can see the prices, after the price has touched this level, there's a very strong pullback. And the price has fallen all the way to $137. So I'm gonna use this as my first support level. Okay. So going back, okay. So be my resistance. So while I was moving the chart, I could see that this price point, this price level, okay, you can see the wicks has been touching this price point so many times, and it's very close to our current price right now. So I've identified this as my immediate support level because the price has been touching this support line. Let's look at dollar CAD. Then once again, dollar CAD is also below the Ichimoku cloud. Can see the price going down in a downward trend. Seems the pretty good resistance level here. This will be my first resistance level because of the swing low. Sorry. Let's remove this clock. Okay. I'm going to use this as my first support line. Okay, pullback level. Okay, let's try to identify the second resistance level. Actually, this could be the second resistance level. Okay, because the price between, the gap between the because earlier this was the first resistance level, right? So I noticed the gap is a little bit too far away, and I could take this as my first resistance level. So I changed this to the second one. Okay, I'm gonna take this as my first level of resistance. Okay, so this is a multiple swing low. Okay, let's see if there is any Fibonacci retracement level. Why is this going up? Okay, so you can see the price. For our first resistance level, it aligns with the 61.8 retracement level. So this can act as I think this will be quite a strong resistance level. So most likely, the price will move up to the first resistance level and the 61.8 retracement level. Okay, before coming down, falling down back to the first support level. So later on, we will also look at ORI, gold, and some other indices. For me personally, I like to use the cloud just to identify the current momentum. Okay, because this cloud is, if the price is above the Ichimoku cloud, okay, you can take it as currently is bullish, and if it starts to cross below, okay, go down below to the Ichimoku cloud, okay, it signals the trend has changed and becomes a bullish, a bearish trend. Okay, so I already use Ichimoku to identify whether the the trend is about to change or is it will still be the same. Okay, so for example, this is some Aussie dollar. So you can see the price here. It shows that it has no sign of moving, okay, down to the Ichimoku cloud. So I see as a bullish signal. It's still in a bullish trend. An example would be here. Okay, so you can see the price starts to go down and crosses below the Ichimoku cloud. Okay, so when it's on the way down, it kind of signals, okay, it could potentially means that, okay, the trend is changing. So there's a trend, change of momentum. So I'm only using Ichimoku cloud to guide me whether the trend will be changing or is it, still in bullish or bearish momentum. And on top of Ichimoku, you also can use other technical indicators, maybe like MACD and also stochastic, okay, to identify the trend. So let's say if I were to add a MACD, so for MACD, okay, you can see over here the indicator. Once it's green color, means that it is bullish, and the red color indicates that it's bearish. So it's actually this zero level also. So anything above the zero, bullish, anything below zero is bearish. So this also aligns with the, for current, okay, currently it also aligns with the Ichimoku cloud, okay, that for Aussie dollar is in bullish trend right now. So I like to use Ichimoku and also MACD to kind of guide me whether there will be a trend reversal coming soon. Yeah, MACD can be a little laggy, so try not to rely on just one indicator. So you can use maybe 1 to 3 indicator to, guide you. Okay, to let you so you can analyze whether the trend is there a reversal coming soon, and also drawing the support and resistance line help to identify the entry exit point, whether it is near the resistance or support level. It also kind of signifies, whether the trend will be reversing soon. Okay, so let's take a look at okay some of the key levels. Okay, this will be my first support. Yeah, this is a good one. So I'm gonna use this as my second support level. Okay, I'm gonna make it smaller to find my resistance. This is a very good second support level. You see it cuts through so many of the candle of the wicks of the candle and not the body. So this makes a good strong support. Okay, and my first level of resistance, can make it bigger so you can see clearly. Okay, so once again, the price is also in between. Okay, the market is a bit undecided, which direction to go. Okay, but you can see that the price is moving towards the first support level now. Okay, so I will wait until the sign is clearer. Okay, whether it's near the first support level or the first resistance level before deciding if I were to take a long or short position. Okay. Okay, next up. Okay, so this will be the last currency pair. After that, we can take a look at gold and oil and also some of the indices. First support level, there's a very strong pullback here. As for resistance, okay. I'm gonna take this as my first resistance level. This is also a nice resistance level. You can see that there is a pullback and at our current, it has also touches the first resistance level, okay, before pulling back. Okay, so I'm gonna use this level as my second resistance level, which also in lines with the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. And you can see here, there is a 61.8 retracement level. So this can actually be the immediate support level because price tends to bounce off or react more at the Fibonacci retracement level, the 61.8 and the 78.6 level. So I'm gonna use this as my immediate support level. Okay. So the price has pulled back from the first resistance level and moving down towards the immediate support. And hopefully those who have sell, it will drop all the way down to the first support level and see, whether it will break through this support level or it will bounce back up to the first resistance level. Okay, Look at oil. This will be my first support. Okay, this can be a first resistance. Or maybe not, somewhere here would be nicer. Okay, and this can be my second resistance level. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it first. Okay, I think I'll just use this as my first resistance level. Because you can see the price reacts, okay, quite strongly at the 79.3 level. So I'm gonna use this as my first resistance. Okay, let's see if the price will bounce off the first support line. I'm gonna look for any I think there could be a Fibonacci retracement here. Okay. Gonna use this. Okay, so I have drawn the Fibonacci retracement and you can see the price. Okay. You can see that at the 78.5 level, okay, it's also near the first support line. So this can, I think the price will react quite strongly here. So I think this will act as a strong support whereby the price will bounce off the first support and also the Fibonacci level and move up to the first resistance level. Okay, let's look at gold. Okay. So gold has been up for a while and it has started to come down. Okay. I think let's look at the daily chart. Oh. Okay, I'm not sure, but it looks like gold is still very bullish according to the Ichimoku. Okay, let's look at the, so even on the H4 chart is bullish. Okay, so for gold, can't seem to really find a resistance level except for here, which is at the current price. Let me zoom it in. Okay. Oh, it's about higher, so this will be my immediate support level. So if I were to have a resistance level, I think it will be here. Okay. Okay, this will be my support level, first support level, whereby the price pull back. Okay, let's see if the price will react off this immediate support level and bounce off back up to the first resistance level. Okay, and we will do one indices before we end tonight's this morning's webinar. Let's look at the US 500. So for US 500 is also at a very high price now. Okay, people are speculating, you know, the Feds won't be increasing the rates. So for this, US 500 has been doing really well. So this can be my resistance level. Okay, gonna use this as my support. Okay, my second support, gonna move it a little further. Okay, which is this pullback. Okay, so for US 500, still very bullish. It has not reached the first resistance level yet, which is one of the all-time high. So let's see if the price will be able to have, if not enough momentum, to break through the first resistance level. But as of now, you can see is falling towards the first support level. Okay, so thank you everyone for joining today's webinar. Okay, so thank you everyone. Please stay safe, trade safe. I'll catch you guys in the next video.